I will save your life. Hallelujah. For the sake of these people, they have their understanding and the feeling in their heart. Listen, the question you have younger girls, you have younger boys who worship God, but not having understanding of God in their heart. We have women, we have men worshiping God, but in their hearts, nothing they understand. Reason why in the troubles, in the temptations, God they abandon God.
Hallelujah.
Hallelujah. Listen, you want daily pride. They told you, King Nebuchadnezzar, for your decision, and your wish, and your crusade, no any reason to reply for you. Hallelujah. Understand the level they are, the level we belong. We can't speak with them. Nebuchadnezzar told them, Shadrach, what kind of God who can save from my hands? What kind of God can save you from my hands? What kind of God can give you life? You may clap for this God. Listen what they say. They say, Lord, our God of Israel, who brought in us, is the one to save you from your hand. Even though he can't save us, repeat that. Even though he can't save us,